Good morning to each and everyone. Welcome you to my YouTube channel that is known as Dr. Prakash Chandra Jha. It is motivation time, or you can say it about that some of the things that I understand about certain areas, certain concept that I would like to just make it to be clarified. I do think it about that you must be actually just making my way to just speak partly Hindi, partly English to be really supposed to be just fed back like that consider. Today it is motivation by Dr. P.C. Jha or Prakash Chandra Jha. Topic is business. So before I just come to the very concise about that topic, I would like to just make something to be clarified like this. First is mind your business. अपने मतलब से काम रखो. It is none of your business. इससे तुम्हें कोई सरोकार नहीं. How are you doing? तुम कैसे कर रहे हो अर्थात अपना काम कैसे कर रहे हो? What are you? What is your profession? What are you doing? Direct sale, Modi care, etc. Direct sale, customer, or you can seller, right? Not sir. This is, or you can say it over that customer, production, sale to the made to the just consultant. After that, you can say it over the sale is to be just made like that. And here market sale, production, franchise, stockist, retailer, and customer. This is how the thing you can see here. Now the question here is that business, what is it here? Business, all the time in general you can say that somebody is doing some sort of selling and purchasing like that. But when you come to market, market is a place where person assemble there as customer, as buyer you can see here. As customer, as purchaser you can see here. You cannot see it over that a person is totally customer, a person is totally buyer you can see here. These two of the word and two of the very just area is actually interdependent. Without these two words, you cannot say it over that the work, the situation, particularly the business will do, you can see, run, you can see. But it has taken separate area, you can see here. In between many persons are there, a kind of chain is there, is not there. And this chain is actually applicable everywhere. You cannot say it over that a person alone can do almost all the thing. That particular person has to depend on someone. Maybe some broker is there, maybe some advertisement is there, maybe some market is there, maybe the people is there, or maybe you can say about that the persons who are thought to be capitalists are there. So better it is really supposed to be so. Men are born free but everywhere is in chains. Business is born free but everywhere it is in chains. Suppose you open a shop, particularly in the middle of the very just forest where there is nobody living there. Can your business run? No. You are just actually opening your shop, particularly in the area where hardly a little bit actually car plies, or not to speak of that people actually come. In that area, can your business run? Maybe or may not be, it's not sure. So right now the question here is that it is the age of science, it is the age of communication, it is the age of mass media, it is the age of computer, it is the age of just mobile phone, you can say. Here you can just make yourself to be successful. Successful in the sense, maybe you live in the jungle, despite all the things, you have got the connectivity through this internet, you can say. This is how a person can just say, just make some sort of the order, and after that you're actually making the very order to be really supposed to be fulfilled. And this is how the business can run. Many a time person sit at home, but he's actually running his business very nicely, you can see. But many a time a person actually move door to door and actually selling the thing. Maybe he is successful or maybe he is not successful. You cannot say here. This depends on the scenario. This depends on the situation you can see here. Now the question here is that whatever protection is there, all the protection simply tells it about that it is number one. Right, not here. And this number one, how it is to be just measured like that. When you make a sort of analysis, when you make a sort of experimentation, when you just make the use of the thing, only then you come to the conclusion. What is the just you can say about that quality of the very thing you can like that. When the market is there, people are there. When people are there, requirement is there. And that requirement is actually fulfilled on the basis of the very earning they have actually got. Suppose a labor has got only 700 or maybe 300 or maybe 400, a teacher is getting only 400, 4,000 or 3,000 in a month. Do you think about that he can manage just maximum number of purchasing you can say? It is not supposed to be so. Basic need is to be fulfilled, like rice, bread, whatsoever things are there. If not rice and bread, maybe sometimes some other things. This is how you can say it about that business is run. Just when we just move on the road, we see trolley. On the trolley, vendors are there. Vendors are selling, you can say, food. Persons are actually standing in the queue. People tell it about that street food is there. You, my dear friend, you tell street food, but I tell you that it is street food. Your pocket is not too much swelling. Your pocket is not too much heavy. In that case, how can you manage the food, particular from five-star hotel? One cup of tea, particularly on the street, gets you get out of 10 rupees. But when you get the same thing in the five-star hotel, 500 to 1,000 you can see. Or when you go to airport, 80 rupees to maybe 300, 400 like that. But all the person cannot afford that much thing. Whatever the number of the person you can see. Now the question here is that maybe on the part of government, maybe on the part of the people, maybe on the part of the common people as a whole, who makes the government to be government, they must actually get a sentiment. Demand the very thing, what? The job. Job, if you get the job, you must be getting coffer, you must be getting coin. And out of the coin, you can make your life to be really supposed to sublime. Not to speak of sublime, very nice, very excellent, you can see it. Only then you can afford the thing. Sometime I remember it over that. When I used to live in Arunachal Pradesh, one cucumber worth 50 rupee. That was really supposed to purchase, maybe because of the region purchasing capacity. But same cucumber, when you just actually come to the very big city or metropolitan city, or maybe just on the pahad, or you can say in the area village, 5 rupees, or sometimes nobody actually buy that much thing. Out of the situation, tomato or say other because vegetables are thrown on the road. This is what is being seen just in course of, we can see it over that news on television. अब चलिए यहाँ पे थोड़ी बात कर लें. हाल में lately I have joined one of the organization that is known as Modi Care. It's not sure. It was thought to be so. You simply change your, I think, the thing you just actually purchase from other area, you can say. You become buyer. You can say it over there, a customer. When you buy, you are getting certain discount, and beside there's some point. Discount is actually a type of rebate you are getting, and this point is a kind of money back you are getting. Is it sir? Out of that, many persons actually I have seen, they have got just a lot of amount, particularly monthly, maybe 1 lakh, maybe 2 lakh, maybe 22 lakh, maybe 1 crore like that. Is not sure. But what about the numbers of those people? Maybe 100, maybe 200. But the persons who are lagging behind. Just you can say to her that my point was 7 to 10. I came when I just actually get 16. I'm likely to be getting the post or level, you can say, of director, and beyond that if I pursue like that. It's not sure. But the question here is that, बंगला की कहावत है, जो तो गुड़ तो मिष्टी. किसी भी एरिया में जाओ, चाहे बनाओ, जितने गुड़ देंगे उतने मीठा होगा, जितने लेबर करेंगे उतना आएगा. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा होता है लेबर करने से भी नहीं होता है. वो डिपेंड करता है व्यक्ति विशेष का आपके बारे में क्या बोला जाता है. और आज का समाज, मुझे नहीं कहना चाहिए, फिर मैं बोलता हूँ, किसी को आगे बढ़ता हुआ देखना नहीं चाहता है ना. टांग खींचने की बातें जरूर होती है. एक कहानी में बताता हूँ किसी राजा का, शायद आपको कुछ ज्ञान मिले इससे और कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिले. एक राजा चाहता था अपने एरिया के जो अच्छे लोग हैं उसको प्राइज देने के लिए. अपने वजीर को कहा कि आप ऐसे लोगों को इकट्ठा करो. इकट्ठा किया गया, 10-20 आदमी इकट्ठे हुए. अब सवाल था एक ही आदमी को चूंकि प्राइज देना था, तो भाई डिसाइड कैसे करें. किसी ने बुद्धि दी, एक गड्ढा खोद दो. गड्ढा खोदी गई, बड़ा सब कुछ सब नीचे उतार दो. उसके बाद जो आदमी गड्ढा से ऊपर निकल जाएगा उसी आदमी को प्राइज दिया जाएगा. जानते हैं क्या हुआ? जो भी कोशिश करके गड्ढा के बाहर आता है, नीचे खड़ा वाला आदमी उसका पैर खींच लेता है. इस तरह समय बीत जाता है, किसी भी आदमी को प्राइज नहीं मिलता है. ये स्थिति हमारी जो आसपास के जो सिचुएशन है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. और माउथ टू माउथ एडवर्टीजमेंट ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. आपके बारे में लोग अच्छा बोले इसलिए कि बुरे को भी आप अच्छा करते रहो, सपोर्ट करते रहो, तब वो आदमी आपको अच्छा बोलेगा. जब उस आदमी को उसकी बात बताओ, जब वो आदमी कोई काम नहीं करता, हमेशा कुछ न कुछ हाथ पसारता, कभी न कभी लोगों से मांगता है, उसके बताया जाता है कि भैया 10 रुपये मैं नहीं दूंगा तो मुझे 10 रुपये कमाना सिखा दूंगा. वो आदमी को खराब पाता है, जबकि आप उसके लिए अच्छा रास्ता सीख रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे क्या होता है, रक्षा में हत्या वाली बात हो जाती है ना. जैसे कुछ मैं कोट कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर सवाल उठता है बिजनेस होता क्या है. तो बिजनेस यहाँ पे एक तरह से कह सकते हैं व्यापार, एक तरह से कह सकते हैं आपका व्यवहार. आप कैसे मान लीजिए आपके साथ बिजनेस किसी का अच्छा तभी होगा जब आपके मानसिकता बदलेगी. अब जैसे लोहार की दुकान में आप जाते हैं तो वहाँ तो आप अपने चले जाते हैं क्योंकि आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. जैसे मान लीजिए कचिया लिया, आप कह सकते हैं कि आपने ये बैठी जो सब्जी काटने के लिए, या चाकू लिया, उसके लिए आप वहाँ पे चले जाते हैं. लेकिन कुछ बातें हैं जो आप प्रोडक्ट करते हो उसके बारे में लोग नहीं जानते. उसके बारे में लोगों को बताना ही नहीं पड़ेगा, डेमो करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. दिखाने के बाद अगर वो समझ जाता है तब वो खरीदेगा. और खरीदने के पहले एक बात ये भी देखेगा उसके पॉकेट उसको अलाउ करता है कि नहीं. तो यहाँ कई फैक्टर पर एकदम डिपेंड करता है किसी बिजनेस को बिजनेस ये करने के लिए. अब रही बात, जैसे मान ली कोई प्रोडक्ट है जिसका दाम 8,000 10,000 रुपया है, आधा किलो का या 2 किलो का, जिसका भी, जो आदमी 10,000 का सैलरी खरीदता है तो क्या उसको खरीद पाएगा? नहीं, है ना। अब रही बात, हम जैसे कि कभी कभी एक बार मैंने सुना था हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को कहते हुए कि हवाई जहाज में ऐसा कर दूंगा क्या किराया कि हवाई चप्पल वाला भी उस पर चलना शुरू करेगा। हवाई चप्पल वाले नहीं तो, लेकिन स्लीपर वाले तो दिख जाते हैं। पैसा उस तरह से तो नहीं हुआ जिसको कह सकते हैं, लेकिन हाँ, लोग अपने समय बचाने के लिए आज वैसे लोगों को भी देखते हैं जो सिंपल सा कपड़ा पहन करके उसमें चला जाता है। कल बात हुई ड्रेस कोड की। अब यहाँ एक सवाल उठता है कि जैसे मान के चले ड्रेस कोड ठीक है, लेकिन क्या ड्रेस कोड ही पहन करके बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा? या तो मैं देखता हूँ अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं, टाई पहनते हैं, क्या वो सारे के सारे सक्सेसफुल है? नहीं। हमारा एक सोच है, आप कपड़े कैसे भी रखो, लेकिन आपके माइंड को ड्रेस करके रखो। माइंड को जो चाहिए उसको बना करके रखो। अगर आपका माइंड ठीक होता है, आपके भाषा में, आपके लैंग्वेज में तान होता है, आप मैग्नेटिज्म है, तो निश्चित आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे। चाहे आप धोती पहन के चलो या फिर चप्पल पहन के चलो। मुझे घटना याद आता है, जब मैं इंटरव्यू देने गया था, मैंने देखा कि ढेर सारे लोग टाई साई कोट शोट लगा कर आए। मैं तो वही चप्पल छाप कल भी था और आज भी चप्पल छाप हूँ, है ना। उसके परसेंटेज भी मेरे से अधिक थे और मेरे परसेंटेज कम थे। मुझे लगा कि मुझे नहीं होगा। उस जमाने में पैंट शर्ट पहनता हूँ, लेकिन मैंने जब से टी शर्ट पहनना शुरू किया, शर्ट मुझे पहनने में असुविधा होती, अनकम्फर्टेबल होता। क्लास में जब पढ़ाने में जाता हूँ तो जैसे कि ये इस तरह से अगर है तो ये हाथ वहाँ तक चला जाता है, लेकिन अगर स्लीव वाला शर्ट होता है तो थोड़ी असुविधा होती है। तो द क्वेश्चन हियर इज दैट अनलेस यू फील योरसेल्फ टू बी कंफर्टेबल, इन दैट केस हाउ डू यू थिंक इट अबाउट दैट यू विल मेक योर वर्क टू बी adorable? It not here. This depends on the very merit, this depends on your the capacity, this depends on your knowledge, this depends on the very just area that you have actually touched. Like that you cannot be becoming successful. Now sometimes situation is there, you must be polite, you must be considerate about the submissive. As the example is there, the example of Marwadi is all the time successful, is it not, sir? Maybe because of that reason they have got their a kind of moral support in their community. Maybe because of their behavior. Even Punjabis are there. They become master, no question. When any customer comes, if the servant is actually busy, they actually stand up, they serve the thing. This is because of the reason they become successful. Marwadi has got the same thing. Ramji, whatever things are there, just words of address they are actually doing there. But I deviated it from the main point. I had to discuss about Modi Care. Now the question here is that what for Modi Care from, you can say that the person should purchase the things. First thing is there, they are giving guarantee. What is the guarantee? If the thing is not good, you can return it by just actually, even if you have just used 20%. Second thing is there, it is really supposed to be original. It is really supposed to be qualitative. Third thing is there, it is food supplement, for not food supplement, almost all the area that is household affair that is actually required. That is really supposed to be given on the part of signature, particularly of the authority, particularly of Samir K. Modi, like that. And this is the guarantee. And besides that, the person who joined it, it has actually got simple, ample opportunity for the very person who are downtrodden, the person's housewife, the person, lady, right from, you can say about that 18 years of age, of any age, it not say. They can join, and for joining, there is no need of giving even a single paisa. Your Aadhaar card, after Aadhaar card, your phone number. After that, you are actually just in the level of 7%. 7% is beginning, is it not, sir? And what percent it will go, it depends on your caliber, it depends on your dedication, it depends your operation, business, particularly in the field, to reach the destination like that. You must have got some target. Earlier it was told there is no target, but everywhere there is target. Unless you just make the target to be fulfilled, how can you just get the very amount that you are likely to get? That is not the thing. Here, out of 7%, but whatever purchase you actually make, there is some sort of commission, or you can say it of the rebate, right from 10% or 5% to 20%. And besides that, whatever point is actually made, that is thought to be money back. It's not sure. And your dream has been just actually given some feather to fly it over here. Do you want to go to a foreign country? You come to certain level. You will be getting some point, you will be getting some bonus amount. This is how you can go to foreign country. You want to have car, you just reach to certain level, and after that your fund will be actually just erased, just raised, and after that you will be getting car. If you want to say, you can, if you want to just have home, certain status you come, and after that you will be getting home. That I'm not likely to go, just to deal with. My dealing here with is business, a simple term, it has got different type of meaning. You cannot say it about that only selling and purchasing there. Or sometimes it was told on the part of, I think, Modi Khair, one of the experts is there, Ray Diamond, I won't tell the name because he told leadership. Leadership, how can leadership be there? In a day or in two? Person doesn't know how to speak. Person doesn't know how to communicate the things about which you are actually advertising. How can he become leader? For becoming leader, many factors are there. Right now, I had not to be told your name and by the name, your surname, your name by the name, the area. This also depends on the thing you can see. But no question, if you are determined, you can reach any of the places where you want to go. It's not here. But it depends on three aspects: luck, labor, and chance. But many a time, even chance, this luck is actually just removed. Removed in the sense, Bill Gates' line is very good. He simply tells, whenever you are born poor, it is not your problem. But when you die poor, it is your problem. It is you who just made yourself to be poorer, because God has given just equal opportunities to each and every one. You cannot say it about that God gives somebody 10 brain or just because 8 leg like that. Everybody has got same thing with her. Besides all the thing, sometimes handicaps are there. Maybe you can say it about that Thomas Edison like that. That type of person also just made a kind of invention. So my dear friend, business is business. व्यापार व्यापार है, वो कहीं भी हो सकता है, सदाचार से हो सकता है, वह घर से और परिवार में भी हो सकता है, वह घर और बाजार में भी हो सकता है, वह व्यक्ति और व्यक्ति के बीच भी हो सकता है, वह दलाल और यू कैन से इट ओवर दैट, और कह सकते हैं दलाल और उसके साथ जो निर्माता है या जो सामान बनाते हैं और बाजार में आते हैं उनके बीच भी हो सकता है. So thing here is that how you deal it with, what about the area you live, how much you have to read. Unless you know about the tools, I don't think it about that you can actually reach to any places. All the time you will turn to be fools. But even out of fools, many things are there that emanate and makes the thing to be rules. This much, thank you very much.